So it's time to move my 31 Ford Model A pickup to a safer location while we renovate this garage into livable space. Hopefully it will be a temporary location, and in one way or another we'll bring it back here to our house. Sky's all loaded up, ready to go. Diane's latching up the back gate. Actually, Sky almost got run over because she was sitting behind the Model A waiting to go for a ride. Bye, garage. Maybe next time we'll be parked under a carport. That's the plan. That will be many months from now. Road, intersection with Highway 101. Our destination, Swim Self-Storage. Well, this is our new home, temporarily, and a storage unit. Now I need to carefully back it in to the stall, B130. Okay. Okay. Well, that worked pretty good. New home for the Model A during our renovation. Its own little safe place, away from all the noisy, dirty construction. Just fine here, I'm sure. Plenty of room to store more things back here, if necessary. This is gonna work. Time to cover her up. You know, it's still pretty warm though.
You want to go do the paperwork and do that?
Yeah, let's do the paperwork. Just throw it over the fender there.
Should we leave it open? Let it cool off? Or
Yeah,
you
no one's
got
gonna
the
take it. I got the key. All right, we'll be back.
It will be closed on Monday.
It's cool enough. All right.
You're the only one that can reach that because you threw it up
Yeah.
there.
Looks good.
Sweet dreams. She's on vacation.
See you later, Model A. We'll go for a ride soon.